everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a very quick video on painting a flower. If you're new to my channel, please know that my designs are meant to be very simple so that anybody can paint them as a beginning painter and feel confident in doing so. So I'm going to just be using actually 5 colors because I used my bright green and thicket, or actually licorice, excuse me, licorice to create the green because I'm not a big bright green person. I really like the darker greens. So I went ahead and created that for this video. Main brush I'm using is a round brush. Use whatever you have on hand. I don't want you to go buy any particular brushes or whatnot. Create with what you have. So for this video, I'm going to dip my brush into the Teaberry and then tip into the yellow, which is Daffodil Yellow. Then I'm going to move this out of the way and begin. So I'm just going to be pushing and pulling towards the center. Pushing, pulling towards the center. And doing that here. Now if you want to have smaller petals, use a smaller brush. Pretty simple. If you feel like you want to have more yellow, just tip back into the paint again and add a little bit more yellow to the tips. If you feel like, okay, maybe I don't want it to be as bright yellow, then I can just keep tipping it into the paint however I choose to do so. Again, very simple. I'm just going to do a single flower. I'm going to take a Deerfoot Stippler and tap into the center. Now I can use whatever color I wish, but I'm going to go ahead and tap into the green color that I made. And I'm just going to go around and just lightly tap in the center. And you may notice in the background that you hear a little bit of sound. I'm doing a light sound bath in the background. So that's what you're hearing. And I went ahead and did the back side of the Deerfoot Stippler and put in some white. Just going back over the center. I just want it to be really random, messy, however you want it. Now if you want to do some smaller petals, you can go with a smaller round brush. Again, dipping into the Teaberry first and tipping into the yellow. And then you can just maybe do off to the side here a little bit of like a smaller one that might be leading off from this, from like behind. If you want to have it look like that, do a few more pulls over this direction. Maybe even have another one like that. However you want to do it, just play with it, make it yours. It does not have to be any particular way. I want you to use your creative talent to make it yours. And then I'm just tapping in the centers. For the green, I'm going to use my fine liner, and please know that I have no idea where I bought this at. I've had it for quite some time, so I apologize that I can't give you any kind of information on purchasing one, but it's like one of my favorite brushes when it comes to doing like fine line work. So you can use it to make a stem, kind of put it aside, and then I'm going to grab a flat brush, a Amagic Flat Brush, put it into the green, the white, the green, and then do some blending strokes just to get it nicely blended. And when you're painting, you can always add more paint as you go. That's up to you. And I'm just going to do really, really simple one-stroke leaves. like that. If you want, because I'm a leaf person, you can come up to the top, maybe do a few more up this direction. Coming out from the side, if you wish, like that. And then what I'll do is use my fine liner brush again. So you can use any liner brush, so just, you know, whatever you have handy. I just really don't like for people to spend a bunch of money on products when they're just getting started and trying to learn. That's just my nature. Try to keep it minimal. And do it like that. So it's very simple strokes. Anybody can do this. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post something new. I'm not just doing painting anymore. I am doing sound baths, and we'll start here soon getting into doing more with herbs and teaching people how to use them, how to create different things with them for your personal use. All right, thanks again for stopping by. I appreciate you. Stay well, keep safe, and hope to see you the next time. You have a good one.